how will this session on AI help the CAs in practice and jobs?
This is the era now coming with AI. If you don't know AI, then you will be replaced with people who knew AI. Our intention is that our member knows how we can integrate into our practice and our job also.
AI is the upcoming field. So according to you, is this statement a myth or a fact?
Actually, due to AI, our time drastically reduced. AI is linked with all the fields where chartered accountant is related.
So what are your future plans with the study circle?
Our intention is very clear. The members, when they attend, the next day itself, they will come to know that Acha, the session I attended, I am able to get some benefit out of it.
Do you think that the new CAs or the existing CAs will accept AI without being rigid?
Welcome to EQment Impact Individuals, a series where we talk to inspiring innovators who make a real impact. Today, we are speaking to Mr. Ashish and Mr. Abhishek, who are a part of CPE Study Circle. They are trying their best to improve the knowledge on AI for the CAs so that the CAs can work easily. Mr. Abhishek and Mr. Ashish. So, sir, can you please introduce yourselves?
Myself, C. Ashish Mandowar. I'm a partner of JMRC and Company and director at Haram Faisal Private Limited. And we are situated in Malad West.
I am C. Abhishek Jain. I'm a partner of ARK Jain Associates. We have a firm in Mumbai. And I'm a deputy convener of Goregaon Malad Central CP Study Circle.
Can you please explain us more about Goregaon Malad Central CPE Study Circle?
Goregaon Malad CP Study Circle, we started. It's starting in 2016. In 2020, it was in hand of Mr. Ankit and one of my friends, Abhinav and all. And we have started again because due to some COVID issues, it stopped. And then after we started in 2024, before the election time, and now it's working very great. So right now we have more than 180 members right now, and we are working more to give more CPRs, give very much continuous learning to our members. So yeah, expanding it.
Okay, that's great. So how will this session on AI help the CAs in practice and jobs?
So there has been a lot of things talked about AI. And there has been, so as you say, there was a computer era earlier. People were hesitant to adapt to it.
Mm-hmm.
And if people didn't adapt, so then they were being replaced by the people who knew it. This is the era now coming with AI. If you don't know AI, then you will be replaced with people who knew AI, who know AI. Right? So our intention as a deputy convener and convener of the study circle is that our member knows each and every, as much as possible, the AI, how we can integrate into our practice and our job also. So this is our pure intention of our member, and we started a series of AI say ROI for our members. So I just add one thing, 180 members that Ashish had mentioned all are chartered accountants. So all the members who are chartered accountants can become a member of CPE Study Circle.
Okay, that's pretty great. So as assumed, AI is the upcoming fear. So according to you, is this statement a myth or a fact? Please explain with reasons.
I cannot expect the future, but at the moment is better. One thing is very clear. If I don't adopt, I'll be the person who will be without any work, in fact, I can say, or maybe in the future, in fact.
Mm-hmm.
So at the moment, right now, there is only one option, which I feel. And our fraternity members also feel that it's better we learn AI and implement it as much as possible in our practice.
Actually, due to AI,
Mm-hmm.
our time drastically reduced.
Okay.
In the compliances area,
Mm-hmm.
in the analysis area, in the due diligence area, in the statutory audit area, in the capital market area. So AI is linked with all the fields where chartered accountant is related.
Right.
So we always think कि AI तो यूज करना ही है,
हाँ,
अगर AI यूज नहीं किया तो हम ट्रेडिशनल वे में काम करते रहे तो हमारा टाइम बढ़ता ही जाएगा. नेट एट द एंड जब हमारा आउटपुट आएगा
Mm-hmm.
बहुत कम आएगा. तो हमारा जो AI to ROI है, AI के यूज से हमारे ROI बढ़ाना है. रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट शुड बी Very.
So, as we all know, that CA as a profession has been a very traditional practice. So, do you think that the new CAs or the existing CAs will accept AI without being rigid?
इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो कि एक एज के बाद एडॉप्शन जो होता है चार्टर्ड अकाउंटिंग में वो नहीं हो पाता है लाइक आप अगर 35 प्लस चार्टर्ड अकाउंटिंग वो आप बोलोगे कि आपको ये नई चीज को लेना है तो जल्दी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता पुराने लॉज पुराने चीजों को कंटिन्यू करता रहता है बट आज की जरूरत है एआई
राइट
न्यू पॉपुलेशन जो हम बोल सकते हैं कि जो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट आफ्टर 2015 है दे विल बी मोर एडवांस विद एआई और इससे पहले दे आर ट्राइंग टू आज हमारे सेशन में भी देखा जाए तो अराउंड 40% पर्सन जो थे आज हमारा अटेंडेंस बहुत अच्छा था मोर देन 75% CAs अटेंडेड द सेमिनार और बहुत अच्छे से सेशन में इसमें 30 प्लस चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स जो थे मोर देन 40 years और उसमें एक साथ तुम्हारे 74-75 थे 74-75 देसाई सर एंड सक्सेना सर जो इस चीज के थे कि हमें एआई का करना है एआई उसमें क्या क्या नई चीज आ रही है मेरी तरफ
So it's just adding to it. Is there any option that we don't have AI?
Okay. So, last but not the least, what are your future plans with the study circle?
Right now, we have started with AI series around 4 to 5 sessions or more than that session will happen on AI. During this period, we had income tax refresher course, indirect tax refresher course, plus any RRC, that is residential program for members. And thereafter, capital market, we are thinking to add. We are thinking to do work on ethics. So more than 20 topics right now we have to add into this 1 year period which we have right now as a conveyor and Nifty conveyor. So we are planning to that.
Right. You're definitely doing something great for the well-being of the audience.
Our intention is very clear. The members, when they attend, the next day itself, they will come to know that the session I attended, I am able to get some benefit out of it. Today there was a session, right, as Ashish said, AI se ROI. A lot of people, immediately when they came outside of the session, they said, wow, I'll be able to use this AI tool in my office. So the intention is very clear that all the members should be able to take advantage of the learning. Or maybe I can say, we have a theme, in fact, I always say that Jnanam Param Dharma. Knowledge is the supreme dharma, in fact.
Right.
So there is no substitute of that. So we will have to ensure that not just we, all our members focus on this area.
Right. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for your time. It was a great conversation.
Thank you for taking it.
To all our listeners, do follow eCumin for more such innovative updates. Until then, stay tuned, stay driven, and keep innovating.